Are you finding a way to share your personal music collection with Apple family members? Family sharing allows you to share your subscriptions with other members of your family. So let's watch the video. You can share an Apple Music subscription with family members via family sharing without sharing your iCloud storage. Family sharing allows you to share access to various Apple services, including Apple Music, Apple TV+, and more, while keeping individual iCloud storage separate. First, you need to set up family sharing. To do this, launch the Settings app and tap on your name. Go to Family Sharing and set up your family sharing. Hit the Continue button. Now the second step is to invite a family member to your family sharing. Please note that you can add up to 5 people to your family sharing group. On the same settings page, you can see the suggestions to invite or select Invite Others. Multiple options are available. You can invite the family member via AirDrop, messages, mail, or in person. Type your family member's Apple ID and password and send the invitation. Your family member will receive an invitation to join family sharing. When your family member taps the Get Started button after receiving the invitation, family sharing will be activated. The third step is to subscribe to the Apple Music Family Plan. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on the profile icon and select Subscriptions. Tap on the Active Plan and select See All Plans. Select a family plan. Tap on the top iCard to watch the full video on how to upgrade the Apple Music Family Plan. As you can see here, I have already upgraded to a family plan. Now, go back to Settings, select Family, tap Organizer, and tap on the Purchases section. Make sure the toggle next to Share My Purchases is enabled. If not enabled, hit the Continue button. Tap to turn it on. It shows a sent message. Send a message to invite someone. Then, on a family member's iPhone, check the message. Launch the Messages app. Tap on the latest message you have received. As you can see, the message invitation is received here. Then, launch the Apple Music app and check if you can access the Apple Music Family subscription and library. If you're having any problem with Apple Music, like an incorrect subscription plan, different country, device and software issues, can't connect, or other issues, tap on the top iCard to watch the full video on how to fix Apple Music Family sharing if it's not working. Please note that Apple Music can't be used on devices with the same Apple ID account. Apple Music is intended for individual use per Apple ID. To share access with your family members, Apple offers family sharing, which allows each person to use their own Apple ID while enjoying shared access to Apple Music and other services. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.